Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix text messages not sending in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using Galaxy A16 and you're facing the issue that your text messages are not sending, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have enough balance in your account to send a message. Now, if you are still unable to send message, just keep a long press on your messages app, click on this info button or icon here. Click on the storage option here. Click on clear cache. Once you've cleared cache, you can also try to clear data of your app. But once you've cleared your data, you have to re-sign in using your Google account in your Google messages here. So once you have done this, I recommend you how to go to Play Store, go to search for messages here. You can also search for Google Messages. Once you find that, make sure that it's updated there. You might have an pending update for this. Now, before you retry to use your messages app, I can you have to restart. Just click on this power icon, click on restart, click on this option again, and it will make a restart with your phone. And once you have restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.